Unlock the power of print on demand by seamlessly integrating your Printify designs with your existing WordPress store. This tutorial will guide you through every step of connecting Printify to your WordPress website, transforming it into your very own print-on-demand powerhouse. First, access your WordPress admin panel, navigate to plugins, then click on Add New in the search bar. Type Printify and press Enter. Locate the official Printify plugin and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activation, you'll find a new Printify option in your WordPress dashboard menu. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to connect your Printify account. This will redirect you to Printify's login page. Enter your Printify account credentials and grant the necessary permissions to connect. Once connected, return to your WordPress admin. You'll now see your Printify store integrated. Navigate to Products to begin synchronizing your designs. Here, you can browse your Printify catalog, select the products you wish to sell in your store. You can edit product details, pricing, and descriptions here. To add a product to your store, click Add to Store next to your chosen design. Customize the product title, description, pricing, and select the Printify print provider that best suits your needs. Now, when a customer purchases a product from your WordPress store, the order is automatically sent to your Printify account. Printify handles the printing and shipping directly to your customer, ensuring a completely hands-off fulfillment process for you. This integration streamlines your e-commerce operations, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your brand while Printify takes care of the production. With Printify and WordPress, creating and selling your custom print-on-demand products has never been easier.